Hello, I'm Elis Morris. I work in Daniel Morris Butchers in Mould and I'm a butcher. I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted to go straight into work instead of doing more education in the classroom. I prefer working with my hands and sitting down and reading papers. My assessor Matty comes every Tuesday morning around 10 o'clock. I get an email just before he gets here. He spends about an hour here and then we get through the majority of the work set for that day. The sport's amazing. Learning with learning difficulties and the people are amazing. Not always helping out, so which is really good. I'd say doing an apprenticeship for other people is probably the best way. You learn a lot whilst you're doing it. You're getting paid for it, so you're better off doing it that way. My plans for the future after my apprenticeship is probably open my own shop eventually, but I'll probably go to do higher education than that.